Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video, and I have something very special for you today. I'm sure all of you know about a cryptocurrency called Ethereum. It's not only the second biggest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, it has the most potential to grow. And I have a very unique method for you guys, which you can use to earn Ethereum for free without any investment. Now, this doesn't involve mining or anything, and I have a step-by-step guide for you in this video, so if you follow each step, as I'm going to teach you, you'll be able to earn money in Ethereum. But before I take you to the method, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and comment your thoughts at the end of the video. I love to read all your comments. Now, coming back to the video, this method involves a very simple trick where you'll be able to make money by simply watching videos. The good thing about this is that you can cash out with gift cards, so I'll share a legitimate site for this method, so let's jump right in. The first site for today is called adwallet.com. Once you open this site and scroll, you can see that brands want your attention, and you can instantly get paid for just watching videos and brands. It takes a few minutes, and it's worth up to $3, so you watch videos, you get paid $3 each, and every single time directly from any single brand of your choice. So the way this works is that you instantly go ahead and create an account on this platform, and then you watch a video. You can see that you receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video and picked just for you guys. Now, when you watch this video, you can get a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 per video interaction. Again, all you need to do is just watch the video, and it makes you up to $3 just to watch the video. And the good thing about this is that these videos are not long videos. They're simple videos that you can just watch directly on your phone, and even then, cash out instantly. You can see that you can make even more money, guys. They're also giving out about $1 for every friend you refer. When you get $10, guys, this is the basic amount you need to cash out. Once you get to $10, you can instantly cash out. This platform has paid out up to $1.1 million in cash and rewards, guys, directly to people, and they've been here for 12 months. And that's 1 year already, guys. They've been up online for 1 year. So you can see that this platform is real, and they pay you for your time and opinion. Now, you can easily create an account here. So if you register right here, right now with this platform, they'll be sending you guys emails every now and then to actually come up to watch new videos, guys. And as you watch these videos, you get paid directly. You can just go ahead and check out their frequently asked questions and all that. Some of these platforms, they don't really allow Nigerians to log in on them. So if you're currently in Nigeria and you're watching this video right now, you can easily just go ahead and get yourself a VPN. It's an absolutely free download, and you can get it on the Play Store, and then come up here to create an account, click on this one that says sign up now, and then instantly you'll be allowed to register for absolutely free on this platform. To register on this website, first you need to click this button, which will take you to the registration page. Now, right here, you'll need to fill in your name, email, date of birth, and other usual details that you need when you sign up on any website. But here you need to add your banking details or PayPal account to cash out your earnings. So that's about it for today's video. If you want to learn even more ways to make more money online, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Watch the next video on the channel to find out another great method to make good money and enjoy financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.